हेलो 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 माय डियर स्टूडेंट। हेलो हेलो, सब ठीक है? अच्छा है। हाँ यार, सो रहे हो क्या? नहीं 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 नहीं, नीट का एग्ज़ाम आ गया, डेट तो अनाउंस्ड हो गया, न्यू डेट आ गया। हाँ, जेई का भी न्यू डेट आ गया, नीट का भी आ गया। इस बार ज़रूर होगा। हाँ, इस बार ज़रूर होगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। जगने का टाइम आ गया, पढ़ाई करने का टाइम आ गया। अभी बहुत सीरियसली पढ़ाई करना है। ओनली 1 मंथ लेफ्ट, ओनली 1 मंथ। एग्ज़ाम का डेट आ गया, सब लोग जानते हो एग्ज़ाम। हाँ, नीट का एग्ज़ाम है तुम्हारा 13 सितंबर को, जानते हो ना? हाँ हाँ, श्योर श्योर। एंड जेई मेंस का तो एग्ज़ाम और उससे भी पहले है, 1 सितंबर से 6 सितंबर तक जेई मेन का एग्ज़ाम होगा। इस बार कोई कैंसिल होने का चांस नहीं है, एग्ज़ाम ज़रूर होगा, पक्का मान के चलो। कोरोना है, कोरोना का साथ जीना है, एग्ज़ाम भी देना है, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज भी जाना है, मेडिकल कॉलेज भी जाना है, डॉक्टर भी बनना है। डॉक्टर का बहुत ज़रूरत है अभी, क्योंकि कोरोना रहेगा, कुछ दिन तो रहेगा। डॉक्टर नहीं होगा तो कैसे कोरोना का ट्रीटमेंट होगा? दैट्स वाई वी नीड डॉक्टर्स, वी नीड इंजीनियर्स। वेंटिलेटर बनना पड़ेगा ना, बनाना पड़ेगा। हाँ, हु विल डू दैट? इंजीनियर्स। दैट्स वाई वी नीड सो मेनी इंजीनियर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स। देयरफॉर दिस टाइम 99% surety that exams will be there. That's why need to wake up, need to gain your motivations, energy, and do the work in full swing 24/7. Only 1 month left. This 1 month can change your luck. It can change your rank if you do work properly. Very simple. You get focused, concentrate on the subjects. 1 month time is huge time, 30 days. 30 days into 24 hours. You can imagine, it is a huge time. Lots of change can happen. Lots of change you can bring to your result. Now, little bit regarding the subjects, how you need to plan, I can discuss. I want to advise you from my experience. I hope this will be helpful for you. First, let me talk about your ओके, डॉक्टर्स का बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसलिए डॉक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा बोलते हैं। इंजीनियर का भी ज़रूरत है। हाँ हाँ, उसको अंडरमाइन मत करो। हाँ, इंजीनियर्स को वेंटिलेटर बनाने के लिए चाहिए, डॉक्टर्स को ट्रीटमेंट होने के लिए चाहिए। हाँ, इसलिए दोनों का ज़रूरत है। इसलिए लेट्स फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट द नीट एग्जाम्स। द डेट होगा तुम्हारा 13 सितंबर 2020, 13/09/2020। ये डेट में एग्ज़ाम पक्का होगा, 99% श्योरिटी पक्का होगा, मान के चलो। यहां पे तुम लोग जानते हो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो का जरूरत है। इतना दिन से तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो। हाँ, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो का जरूरत है, मैथ्स का कोई जरूरत नहीं, ये तो जानते ही हो, प्रिपरेशन हो चुका है। हाँ, लिटिल टाइम इज लेफ्ट। हाउ टू प्लानिंग फॉर दैट और व्हाट शुड बी टारगेट फॉर दैट? फिजिक्स के लिए क्या टारगेट होना चाहिए, मैथ्स के लिए क्या टारगेट होना चाहिए, बायो के लिए क्या टारगेट होना चाहिए? हम सब लोग जानते हैं डॉक्टर बनने के लिए बायोलॉजी सबसे फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है, ये तो जानते हो ना। बायोलॉजी सबसे फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है। बायोलॉजी का टोटल मार्क्स कितना होता है? 360। ये जो नीट का क्वेश्चन पेपर से फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी जो है, तीनों मिला के टोटल मार्क्स 720 होता है। उनमें से ओनली फॉर बायोलॉजी हम लोग जानते हैं 360 होता है, एंड फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री दोनों मिला के 360 होता है। टोटल मार्क्स 720 है। लेकिन तुमको अच्छा मेडिकल जाने के लिए तुमको कितना मार्क्स का जरूरत है? हाँ, ये तो तुम जानते हो, तब भी हम एक बार रिमाइंड कर रहे हैं। हाँ, यू नो, बट स्टिल आई एम रिमाइंडिंग एज ए टीचर। बायोलॉजी में आउट ऑफ 360 मिनिमम 320 का टारगेट होना चाहिए। होना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? पक्का होना चाहिए, 320 होना चाहिए बायोलॉजी में। केमिस्ट्री में कितना? 150 मिनिमम। एंड हम लोग जानते हैं, हम लोग जो नीट के लिए तैयारी करता है, हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स इतना नहीं पढ़ता है, वो तो हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स से डरता है। एंड हम लोग जानते हैं मैथमेटिक्स बिना फिजिक्स पढ़ना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है। इसलिए फिजिक्स में मैं ज़्यादा टारगेट नहीं रखा हूँ, 130। बायो में 320, केमिस्ट्री में 150, फिजिक्स में 130 होना चाहिए, मिनिमम टारगेट होना चाहिए। कुल मिला के इट इज कमिंग 600। देन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम कोलकाता, CMC इज पक्का। If you are from Kolkata, you are from West Bengal, CMC, Calcutta Medical College is pakka. If you are from Assam, Guwahati Medical College is pakka. Number one college in Assam is Guwahati Medical College. Other college also good college, but everybody try to go to the Guwahati Medical College because it is at the heart of the city. Similarly, Calcutta Medical College to be considered as the best one in West Bengal, for which 600 is the minimum target. Oh, you want to go to the AIIMS? If you want to go to the AIIMS, your score should not be less than 680 marks. Then you will get AIIMS Delhi. There are many AIIMS, but I am talking about the AIIMS Delhi. Everybody try to go there only. That is the first priority. In that case, your mark should be 680 plus. You can try. You can try. Some of you are thinking that अगर हमको 600 नहीं आएगा, उस केस में हमको मेडिकल कॉलेज नहीं मिलेगा. हाँ, मिलने का चांस है, बट मिनिमम स्कोर 520 से नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर तुम्हारा स्कोर 520 से नीचे आ जाएगा तब तो रिस्क जोन में हो. इट कैन, देयर इज नो श्योरिटी, मिल भी सकते नहीं भी मिल सकते. तो योर स्कोर शुड बी 520 प्लस. देन देयर इज a chance you may get one of the medical college. Surely not CMC, surely not Guwahati Medical College, surely not AIIMS, but you can get a medical college. The minimum target should be 520. Wake up, still time is there. If you are thinking that your score need to increase, you can increase. 1 month time is there. Just revise NCERT book, biology, chemistry, physics. Regarding chemistry, NCERT book. Regarding biology, NCERT book. This is the Bible for your NEET exam. No other books now, only NCERT book. All the 3 subjects. And solve previous year question papers. As many as is possible. You know, in case of NEET, there is a direct questions, repetition of questions take place in NEET. In NEET, difficult question doesn't asked. Question asked directly from the NCERT book. Straight forward. No tricks. No tricks. No difficulty. Why? You know, one question you need to solve in 1 minute time. You know, exam is for 3 hours. There is 180 minutes. Number of question is also 180. One question, 1 minute time. Therefore, if there is a difficult question, we should not target that. We should not attempt that. Because we cannot spare more than 1 minute time for one question. Therefore, most of the questions comes directly from the books, straightforward from the books. If you have a good idea, NCERT book, each and every line of the NCERT book, you can visualize the concept of the NCERT books, then sure shot is not difficult to get marks of 600 plus. I am sure for that. And your seats is reserved at the CMC, at the Guwahati Medical College. This is the best place for you if you are from West Bengal and Assam. Okay, if you are targeting your AIIMS, in that case it should be 680 plus. Okay guys, hope this 1 month will bring lots of change in your rank. Do work, do work. If you need any help, I am here, we are here. You can WhatsApp, you can call, we are here to help you. Okay guys, NEET guys, now come to the JEE guys. Let's focus on the JEE. JEE main. Starting date is 1st September. As you know, these exams goes on for 1 week time because it is online exam. You start on the 1st, you will go up to 6th. Obviously, last week of the August we can expect the admit card. Accordingly, we will be knowing our exact date. Whether you are getting on the 1st or getting on the 2nd or getting on the 3rd. Because until unless admit card is received by us, it is not clear. We are expecting that admit card will be issued in the last part of the August. Last week of the August. Then our center will be clear. Date also will be specified for us. Anyway, we have around 1 month's time for that also. And lots of change can happen. Lots of a positive change can happen in 1 month's time. Need to plan properly. Here also, you know, in case of JEE, there are only number of questions limited. 25 questions for physics, 25 questions for chemistry, 25 questions for maths. You know that? Why not? You are writing so many mock tests here at My Big Gun Academy. Many times you have written test. 20 questions are MCQ. MCQ, 4 options will be there. 1 option is correct. Yes or no? And 5 questions numerical based. No options will be given. You need to solve and you need to write your answer. The answer will come in numericals. It can be single digit, can be double digit, can be triple digit, even it may contain the decimal point. Don't get worried. The questions are based on only the basics. Very easy question, common questions. No options, difficult question. No. They are the very easy question. It is easy to score. Questions will be asked based on the only basics. The minimum formula, the basics formula for each and every topic you should know. Here, out of the 5 questions, in case of chemistry, if you ask me, at least 2 questions will be from organic, and 2 questions from the physical, and 1 question from the inorganic. Oh, you are thinking, what kind of questions will you ask from inorganic, in numerical? Why not? They will give you some options, some compounds, 10 compounds, and they will ask how many of the compounds are paramagnetic. And they will give 10 compounds, they will ask how many of the compounds has sp3 hybridization. This kind of questions can be asked on the numerical basis from the inorganic chemistry. Numerical doesn't mean that you need to do lots of calculation and find out the answer. They may give you 10-12 molecules. They can ask how many of the molecule follows the EN rule. That kind of question can be asked from the inorganic part, from the numerical based. Another 20 question MCQ. You can expect 1 question from 1 chapters. Surely you will get more than 1 questions from chemical bonding topic. You know, that is the most important topic for chemistry. Therefore, chemical bonding, you should have very good knowledge. At least 2 questions will get from that. Regarding physics, maths also, 20 questions MCQ and 5 questions your numericals. And you know, JEE Mains questions are not that difficult. Of course, it is little difficult than the NEET, but not as difficult as JEE Advanced. Only if you have proper idea of NCERT books and last 20 years previous year question paper you have solved and you have written 10-20 mock test. Obviously you have written so many mock tests here at My Big Gun Academy. I remember every time people will got more than 250 scores. Here only if you can maintain 180 marks, 180 marks out of 300. That's the 60%, your percentile will not be less than 99. It will be 99 plus percentile. If you get 99 plus percentile, your seat is reserved at NIT Durgapur, NIT Rourkela. You will get a better NIT if it is 99 percentile. For 99 percentile, your percentage is not required so high. It is only 60 I am talking about. 99 percentile is required. Then Durgapur, your NIT Rourkela, NIT Warangal, you will get chance there. You may get your branch according to your own choice. That's why focus for 1 month. Only 180 marks, 60%. Here 3 subjects. Depending upon your own choice, your own preparations, the different subjects you may get little different marks, but altogether your marks should not be less than 180 out of 300. Then your seats is reserved at good NIT. Not difficult. Okay, do work properly. 1 month time may brings lots of change in your result. Be focused. This time exam will be there, 99% surety. Governments are planning for that. Because we need engineers, we need doctors. Okay guys, all the best. Thank you. Bye bye. Good luck.